Oh my God, I love it. We're back in beautiful Greenville, Texas today. It's been raining all frickin' week. It rained this morning, so I took the GS today. She needed to stretch her legs after me working from home all week, you know, COVID-19. Today, it is not a GTO, it's not a Viper, it's not a CTSV, but it's a Mazda Miata. We're here with John Dobby, owner and employee of Dobby Performance. My buddy Elvin, he's the owner of the GTO. And this is Dobby's Project Miata. So we're gonna go ahead and start wiring up these taillights. Yeah. We just got done stripping all the wires. So all we really needed was the 2 harnesses that go to each of the taillights. Dobby's printing off labels right now as we
left turn off twice like an idiot.
We're labeling the wires so that we can just run the necessary wires to get these things going, and then that'll be it.
Wait, are you?
We got the tail light wires all nice and braided up. What are these called again, Dobby? The blue stuff?
Wire loom.
We got all the wires wire loomed. Coming from the front, running aft. We got the passenger side running up into this trunk line here. Elvin's strapping them all down, and then we'll wire these back up, and then our tail lights will be done. That's it. Let's get the
ghetto rig the shit out of this guy.
Whose was it?
My cousin's.
Oh, nice crank.
Thanks. It's not the first time a man's moved that. I gotta use this one.
So we need to get the harnesses off these headlights. Oh my God, I love it. And
that's how much
harness.
we don't care.
Cool. So it looks like we got ourselves a little nice. How are we gonna get the other one off, John?
I don't know. I guess maybe we'll just smash it.
Oh look, another connector.
Hey, we got a harness.
All right, so now we got some parts for the Miata.
Hey!
Thanks, Chevy.
Okay.
Upon further investigation of Dobby's spare parts, we realized that we had enough connectors to fit these lights, which means that we didn't need to go out there and throw a crank through the headlights of the Chevy truck.
But aren't you glad we did?
I'm kind of glad we still did. So we got the wire bundles for the headlights set up. Dobby and Elvin got the wiring from inside the cabin for the headlights coming up under the fenders, coming all the way around. Stop number 1, then we come up and under by the oil and trans coolers to bundle number 2, and we're gonna get these hooked up to the headlights, and then we'll have headlights and taillights. So good stuff. Here comes Redneck Soldering, starring John Dobby.
Yeah. Works though.
It does. I like it. Nice. Voila.
We're done.
So we should be able to put power to it and get the headlights to work.
If we powered up the whole setup, yeah. But when we do have the headlight switch, they provided that.
Voila. Nice. Dope.